Hey everyone, welcome to another YouTube video. This time it's about the unboxing of the iPad Air 2022, basically the 5th generation. Let me just open the wrapping that it comes in. So here's the box, got some publicity that doesn't matter. This is the front. On each side there's the name iPad Air. On the bottom there's the Apple logo. In the back there's the legal information and the storage size, that in my case it's the 64 gigabytes, because the other only option was 256 gigabytes, and that's out of budget for me. Regarding the package, it was a little bit roughed up, to be honest. I even make a legal complaint to the company, Vorten in this case, because, to be honest, it was. It brings the USB-C block and the USB-C to USB-C cable. It's a standard practice for Apple using these kind of cables and blocks on the iPads. But regarding the iPhones, as you probably know, and if you see in this video, it was necessary the intervention of the EU so that they started shipping out the new iPhone 15 with USB-C. Regarding budgets, I bought this iPad Air on sale on Black Friday. It was 674 euros. It's a real bitch move for Apple that they don't include another 138 option, because I'm gonna tell you, 64 gigabytes after using it for 1 week and a half editing this video, it's a tight option, to be honest. Now moving to the main attraction, the back camera is a 12 megapixel wide, goes up to 4K video and HDR features. To protect it, I decided to put this protective cover on it. Some people don't think it's necessary, or it's even bad for the camera. I don't think so. If you clean up the surface very well and you are careful putting it on, I think it does more good than harm. Now, peeling off the wrap, as you can see, I don't do this as often as you might think. The color that I decided to go is the gray one, because gray is my favorite color. To be honest, here on the image or under the light, it looks like blue, but it's definitely gray. Since you're already here, let me just get this out of here. I love the fact that it got Touch ID. Now, why, in the name of reason, the fucking iPhone doesn't have it? Like, why? It doesn't make fucking sense. Android has the Touch ID on their glasses. I don't understand why we can't implement this. I know the pros have Face ID, whatever that is. Touch ID is the superior way. It's the best way. Here it's already set up. I'm using the Touch ID, and no doubt M1 is very fast. No fucking doubt. And yeah, thank you for watching. Been fun. See you next time when I do a 6 months review on the iPad.